Hi, this is Charting Man Dan of thechartguys.com, home of technical analysis education. Click the link for a free week trial, no credit card required, and gain access to our multiple live broadcasts daily, community chat room, educational videos, nightly watch lists, and more. Invest in your education and future and join the community today. Looking at Tesla on the daily and weekly time frame, and we've got a tight channel here trading straight across. 205 is a psychological support. We've dipped below it and continue to close above it. And this 100-day moving average resistance has rejected the price twice. That's at 213.37. So not a whole lot of range in between those two levels, and we can see the past 4 days having a tight range on decreasing volume. So anytime you see consolidation, sideways trading on decreasing volume, you wait for a volume spike and a key break to give you some indication of which direction we'll be headed in. You can see right here for Tesla on this month period, the volume was decreasing. We had a spike in the volume right here, and that was no clear bull or bear victory because of the long lower wick. But it continued to taper off lower and lower and lower. And then right here, as we were very tight, we had a loss of the middle Bollinger Band support as red flag number 1. And then that increase in volume on further downside, clearly breaking some of these low supports. That right there was your bearish entry signal, and the follow through that was in the next 4 days was significant downside. So we'll see if we get some similar action here of that tightening range and then a volume spike. And if we break bullish, we still have a bunch of moving average resistance to get through. If we break bearish, we're looking at 200 psychological support, and the next level that really stands out to me is the low of March 2nd, 181.50. So there is some significant downside there. Looking at the weekly time frame, we lost that middle Bollinger Band of 212.43. So that was bearish, and the bulls are going to have to establish a higher low of support. This bounce that occurred was so steep into the upside, there was no consolidation points to set a new support level. So that's going to have to occur on this way down. Might have to see some sideways trading for a couple of weeks to establish that level, and then we'll be looking to come back up and test some resistances. But as of right now, the way the market stands, check out my SPY video to get my viewpoint on the overall S&P 500. But I would anticipate a bearish break out of this little channel perhaps next week, but certainly sometime in the near future, and we'll check back in when that happens. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend. Thanks for watching. The Chart Guys community has compiled trader tips from dozens of traders over the last year and put together a free ebook you can access by clicking the button and entering your email. Have a wonderful night.